Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Honda Accord, stock number 5958. This ran from 06 2008 to the 12th 2015. Has a K2 423 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a K2 423 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 2 small dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.